Be careful, it's definitely going to be slippery. This is so awesome.
Oh god, I got it almost too. Yeah.
Go inside your shoe.
You should do a snow angel. No. I did sand angel. Look at her.
There's some mischievous eye.
Yeah.
Yeah, seriously. This thing doesn't do a good wide angle.
And go! Run towards Dad and use him as a shield.
Trying to capture the fun, the video fun. Oh! No! Uh-oh.
I know, right? Just what going? Oh, good shot.
Oh, you alright? All right, get up. Don't sit there. Your butt's going to get wet and then cold. Shake it off your butt.
And as I run towards the sword, it gets in my mouth. I'm gonna run inside real quick and do that.
Oh man, it's going to be a foot deep by the time this thing is done. So it's going to be a foot deep by the time it's done.
Yeah, I hope we leave.
I don't know.
No, hey!
No.
That was a big smart snowman.
Yeah.
Hey! Hey!
Just pick up some more off the ground. Is it still too dry?
It packs better than it was.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not packing well enough.
Yeah.
Ah!
Oh man, I missed that.
Look at my glass. Oh, that was cold. Where did Kate go?
She went inside to warm up. She was a little cold.
To their annual Snowball being like happening.
I know, right? This is awesome. I mean, in of itself, even if it means we have a snow day, I mean, could you ask for more? No. Like, I would take.
Turn on my...
Yeah.
Turn the camera around.
Wait. All right, did it turn around?
Yeah. Okay, stay there.
Wait, hang on. All right, is it facing me again? Oh, it wasn't facing me.
What?
No, it was facing me. That's great. Hey, you got some more? Are you done? Obviously, you're having fun with this. Oh, that stung a little.
Where did the girls go?
I don't know. Maybe inside to warm up. I'm about at that point. Oh, down the jacket. Oh no.
All right, let's begin.
Uh-oh. Yep. I gotta warm up.
Let's go warm up and then come back out.
Yeah.